Hi John, I have your Cookshack controller on my bench here today. I've connected it up to power and it's up and running. I've had it running for a bit. If you recall our conversation, at one point I said I suspected strongly that the problem with your controller was the keyboard. When I received it, I checked a number of items and sure enough it kind of led me to the keyboard. So I contacted Cookshack, of course. They sent me the manuals, but they confirmed for me that they have a problem with this kind of keyboard, especially if it's exposed to the weather for many years. So, of course, they also said that they don't have a replacement keypad. So what I did is I ordered from eBay some little cheap keypads that have 5 buttons on them, five because there's 5 of them on your keypad on this side, and then on the other side I ordered a different keyboard that has 4 buttons to match the 4 on the side here. So I'll go ahead and mess with the buttons here a little bit and you can see them in action. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the controller, which would be equivalent to this, by pressing what's the equivalent reset key here, and we'll see it on the display that it will reset. So there it is, it goes to T32. So it wants me to enter the cook time. So the cook time is the second one from the bottom. So I can press simultaneously the cook time, and I can change the time up or change the time down. I can also press to hold the temperature, pressing it up or pressing it down. And of course I can press to set the cook temp up or cook temp down. So, and of course the other thing is that the ribs or chicken button also works, and the brisket button also works. So, and if you look at the little keypad that I have here, the red button is equivalent to the start button. So when I press start, we'll see that the display over here will go to cooking time. So there we go. We're now in cooking mode. I have the temperature set to about 150 degrees using this little temperature sensor that I have. So the controller is just working the way it's supposed to now. Unfortunately, like I said, I don't have a replacement keyboard for this. I think you're going to have difficulty finding one. We'll talk over the phone about how to proceed with this, because I can send you these 2 little mini keyboards. You can stick them out on either side here and glue them, because they come with 3M glue tabs on the back, so you can glue them on each side of your panel, so then you wind up having similar keys or a similar location for the keys as what they're marked on your original keypad. But right now that's almost the best we can do for this system. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'll close off this video. I want to thank you for sending me your controller, and we'll talk on the phone about this. Thanks. Bye-bye.